Hello, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, a Four Stars Sudoku, in the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, January the 5th, 2023. We have, I've done one puzzle, the 3 stars Sudoku. Well, seems it's a 2 stars. So we have 3 puzzles left. A binary, tectonic with 4 stars, and it's time for the 4 stars Sudoku. 4 stars Sudoku number. This will be number. Let me zoom this a little bit out. Yeah. 4 stars number 5742. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one less than the previous Sudoku. 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. All right. 1, 2, 3 twos. 2, 3, 3 threes. 2 fours. Or 2 fives. 3 sixes. 2 sevens. 2 eights. And 3 nines. So the ones are in majority. Can I start with the 1? Yeah. 1 in this column. 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in the second row. No 1 there. 1 should be there. Well, now I cannot continue with the 1. Need to wait. How about the 2 in this row? The 2 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the third column. Sorry, 2 in the last column. 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, 2, 2. 2. 2, 2, 2, 2. Cannot continue with the 2 now. Need to wait. How about the 4 in the first column? 4 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this second column. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. Here or there in the second column. We have another 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 4, 4, 4, 4. Alright. 9, 9. I'm thinking. 6, 9, and the 2. 6, 9, and 2. Okay. 4, 4. 4, 4, 4. 4, 3. 4, 3. 7. No. 5 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is the number 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here or there in this column, here or there. We see another 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the last row, 9 in that row. So in the row between, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2, 2. 2, 2, 2. 2 and a 3. No, 2 and a 6. Okay. And now I need to wait now. Well, with a 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. On the last column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the second column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9, 9, okay. Cannot continue with the 9 now, need to wait. 5, 5. 9, 2. Okay, 1, 1, 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the middle row, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this column, last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. Here, 1 in the second row, no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the ones are used. I can see. Digit number one. Okay. 9. 2, 2. 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 5. 2, 5, and a 6. I'm missing the 6. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. 6, 6, 6. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this second row, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Okay, 6, 6. 5 and 4, missing the 4. 4, 5, 3. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. And look, we have a 3 and a 5 in the first row, so no 3 and a 5 in this box. The 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for number 4. 3, 8, 7. And now 4, 4. Well, we have here 6 missing numbers. Well, no. We have here 2 missing numbers. Those missing numbers in this row are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 4, 4, okay. We 7. We have a pair. We have 7 and a 9 in the third column. 7 and a 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 7 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and a 9, 7 and a 9. Let me mark those. 7 and 9. So I've eliminated the 6. So the 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. The 8 is missing. Okay. So we have 8 there, 8 there. 2 missing numbers in the first row for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. Let me mark those two boxes. Yeah. Alright. And now 3, 3. I'm thinking. 5, 7, 8. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 5, 7, 8. 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8. And look, we have a 7 and 8 in this big square, so no 7 and 8 in this box. The 7, 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 7, 8, 7, 8. So one digit left in this big in the last column for number 5. Okay, 7, 8, 7, 8. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, we have a 5 here. The 5 in this third column, 5 in the third column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the middle. Oh, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then. 2 missing numbers in the third column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in the middle row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 it goes there. So we have a 2 in the third column, 2 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in the middle column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see here 2 in the last row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 2. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 6 goes there. The 6 in this third column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 in the middle row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 4 goes there. We have a 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6's are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 6. Alright. Then. One box left in this row for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the third, in the middle column. So no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4's are used. I can see. Digit number 4. Alright. Then. How about the 3? I need a 3. Well, 3, 3. No, okay, I need to wait. What a 5 then? 5. Here also 5. So need a 5 here, 5, 5. Come on, come on, come on. This is taking too long. I want a 9, then 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row, so the third, 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. And I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes there. 7 in the third row, 7 in one of those two boxes in the first row, so the row between the second row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in the middle column. One of the missing number in the middle column is number 7. We have a 7 in the middle row, so no 7. We have a 7 in the second row, so no 7 in this box. So the 7 could be here or there. In the middle column, here or there. We see another 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 1 box left in this second row for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. So we have a 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row, so the third row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the last column. No 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 1 box left in the third row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 7 goes there. 7 and 8, we have a 7 now in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and 8 goes there. Oh, I've moved the camera, okay. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 8 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square. Same numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 5 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Wow, faster than the previous Sudoku. Wow. I cannot believe this. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I'm very pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the tectonic. Until then, bye-bye for now.